If you want to enable battery charge limit on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 or Z Flip 7 FE, then first of all we need to go to settings. Then we're gonna scroll down until you find the battery setting, and let's go over here, and then you can open battery protection. Now, if you have basic battery protection, then most of the time you can normally charge your battery to 100%, but when you do so, the battery stops charging and lets itself drop to 95%, and then it starts charging again. You can also set the battery limit to 80%, 85%, 90%, and 95%, and then you won't be able to exceed it at all. And in case you actually use this basic battery protection, there's also adaptive protection, which allows you to stop charging at 80% while you are asleep. So you can use this option instead of the maximum one if it's more convenient. And of course, if you want to disable the battery charge limit, then just make sure that, for example, the adaptive protection is disabled, or you just use just the basic battery protection. It is still recommended to use some sort of battery protection, so try to stick with the basic one at least. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.